welcome back to Miss Charice's lesson. Today I'm going to talk about this piece that J.S. Bach dedicated to his wife, Anna Magdalena. I'm going to teach you how to play it step by step. I'll pull out the sheet music line by line on the top screen and go through each line hand separately and slowly. I will start by discussing the genre of this piece, Minuet in G. Next, I will go through some key elements. For example, the repeated phrasing between your right and left hands. Finally, I will revisit the piece to focus on dynamics and offer some musical interpretation ideas to enhance the musicality of this piece. Let's begin. Firstly, look at the information given below here. As you can see, this piece is related to Johann Sebastian Bach period of time. So we will play in a style that closely relates to his musicality. This minuet begins with imitation patterns between your right hand and your left. So you may think of question and answer. This is the main melody. So you may think of the question, play louder in your right hand. Hi, how are you? Think of questioning in your right hand. And now to your left hand. So your left hand answering the question. And this is how it sounds like. Well, let's go to the next phrase. So in this line, your left hand may play detached all the time. Together with your right hand to play left hand and right hand detached at the same time. So you may think of hold and lift together at the same time. This is how it sounds like in a fast speed. What a beautiful sound. I would suggest here to grow louder from soft to the next bar as it's back to your main theme. Question your right hand and answer in your left hand. Hi, how are you doing? I'm good. Could you see my right hand question is louder and I pass to my left hand. So this is how it sounds like. Continue with the next line. So in this line, there is this tricky rhythm, triple time. So how can you play here? You may use this technique. 1, apple, apple, 2, apple, apple. Make sure you leave it up. There is this legato line, hold the sound and lift it up before you drop down, banana. 1, apple, apple, 2, apple, apple, banana. Continue to the next section, which is in E minor. So it's the same technique applied to this section. Left hand stay in a steady beat, as well as to make it detach on every single note. I will create a moody sound. Begins with soft P, piano. It's a soft sound over here. And here it's quite tricky. Drop down. How you play a detach over this part, you could just lift up together, so it's easier for you to play. And drop down when you go to the next note. Here is staccato, and lift your left and drop down to the next note and up. So continue with a steady beat and dance like rhythm. Moderate loud sound. Make sure put more weight onto your right hand. Now moving up to the next section. Right hand louder than your left. Left hand just move quietly, but bring out your right hand. Oops, sorry, one more time.